Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be diving into a topic that's sure to make your workflow smoother. I'm going to show you how you can update status column values inside monday.com automatically. Guys, if you're working in a big company or handling large projects, you probably be using Jira and monday.com together for managing your project efficiently. Well, if that's the case, imagine having a board in monday.com whose status columns updates automatically whenever you resolve any issue in Jira application. Sounds like magic, guys? Then buckle up because we are going to make this magic happen. In this video, I'm going to show you an automation which is going to synchronize Jira service management with monday.com in such a way that whenever an issue is getting resolved in Jira, the corresponding item in board in monday.com status will be updated and you do not have to do it manually. So it will keep your team synchronized and save a lot of your time. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up our workflow, we are using an integration and automation tool known as Pabbly Connect. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And you can find the link of this page in the description so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now from the given link and you can follow me through the video and learn this automation. So after signing up, you can sign in and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given the name here. Now I'm clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. Alright, and on this page you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. In this use case, guys, we want that when we resolve a issue in Jira, the status is monday.com should be updated. So our trigger application would be Jira service management. So here from this choose app field, you have to search for Jira service management, then select it. Then you have to select the trigger event as issue transitioned. Okay, so it's going to trigger this workflow when an issue is transitioned. That means the status got changed. Okay. Right, and here you can see it has given us this webhook URL and these instructions. So with the help of the URL and the instructions, we are going to create a connection with Jira, and after that we are going to capture the response of this connection by manually resolving a ticket. Okay, so it's really interesting process written here. Let me show you directly. So guys, this is my Jira service management app. Here guys, I am under this demo service project. Okay, and these are the tickets or the requests we have from various sources. Okay, now guys, here you will find this project settings option. Open it. Under project settings, when you scroll down here on the left hand side panel, you will find this automation option. Select it, and guys, here under automation on the top right corner you will see this create rule button. Click on create rule. Alright, and here guys, under the issues section, here in the issue triggers option, you will find this issue transitioned option. Okay, so select this as a trigger and then it will ask the transitioning from one status to other status. So the previous transition, the previous state was waiting for support. I am choosing waiting for support. You can choose any other options available here. I'm choosing waiting for support, and as this status is going to be changed to resolved, then the workflow will trigger. Okay, so this is the status which was transitioned. Okay, so here click on save. Right, now it is asking to add components. From here click on new action option, and in the action what we want to send the data to the workflow. For that, scroll down here under the notification section, and here you have to select this send web request option. Select this. Here it will ask for the web request URL. Here you have to paste this webhook URL that you got. Okay, so just click on copy here, and here you can see as we have copied, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. Okay, now paste this URL here under this field, and then you have to select the status, oh sorry, the method of posting the data as post, and the body of the web request you have to select issue data in Jira format. Select issue data Jira format. Okay, then click on save. Right, now you can give a name to this automation that you are creating and click on turn it on. All right, and here you can see this automation is turned on here, and our workflow is still waiting for the response. This means now we can perform our test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually resolve any issue present in Jira, and we want that corresponding to that issue, a board item should be updated. So first let's see the request that we have in Jira and the corresponding board items. So guys, this is my Jira application, and here are the requests or the tickets we got here. And here you can see we got this ticket numbered as desk 2, and here is the summary: capturing customer email request. Okay, and this is waiting for the support. Okay, and it is created at this date. And here you can see in Jira board, I have this board named as Jira tickets, sorry, in monday.com. This is monday.com, and here is a board I have created. And here we have this ongoing request. And here you can see guys, we have the same board item here with the same name, capturing customer email request. And you can see under the conversations, the description is also the same as we have here under this ticket in Jira. Okay. Now guys, I want that when I resolve this issue here in Jira, the board item should be updated. Okay, that's what we want. So here you can see the response is still in waiting here. Now guys, I'm going to resolve this same issue manually. Okay, so here you can see it is, the status is waiting for support, and I'm going to change it to resolve this issue. I'm clicking on resolve the issue. Here I'm going to select the resolution type as done. Right, and then clicking on resolve this issue. All right, and here you can see this issue is resolved here. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this issue getting resolved. And here you can see guys, we have received the data in this response section, and here you can see the issue key is desk-2. Okay, this is the same key, desk-2. And when you scroll down here, you will find all other details like the field summary, capturing customer emails request. It is done, complete, resolved, and here you can see the description and all other things. So guys, this is how you can capture the data. Now I want to update this same here in monday.com, and for that to happen, first of all I'm going to fetch some details of this board item that we have here in monday.com. Okay, so here in the sections tab, just search for monday.com and select the action event as search items by column value. Why we are using search items? Because guys, we have received the data, and I want that the tickets whose corresponding board item is present in monday.com, then only the workflow should continue and update the board items. Okay, but there can be a case when there is no board item available for any new request in Jira. Okay, so we are going to ensure that the workflow should be smooth, without any interruption, without any error. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to check in monday.com if this issue whose data we have received here is already present in monday.com or not. For that guys, we are using the action event as search items by column value, and the column value we are going to look for is the name of the summary of the issue which got resolved in Jira. Okay, so with the help of this summary label, I'm going to search for it here in the monday.com step. So use search items by column value option, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of monday.com. So you'll get the key from the admin section of monday.com. Let me show you that. This is monday.com. In the top right corner you will find the profile icon. From here you have to click on administration, Under admin page on the left hand side, you will find this API option. Open it. This is the version 2 token. Just click on copy and paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with monday.com, right? And here it is asking for the board's name. So my board name is, let me show you, my board name is Jira tickets. So I have selected it. Column, I want to select the column which is the status column. So select the column as a status, and the column value that we want to look for is this, the summary that we got here. So I'm going to map this summary label here in this field. So just click here guys, and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data that you have received right here only. So you can just search for summary label from here. Okay, here you can see, just click on it to map it, then click on save and send test request button, and it will show you. And here you can see in the response, we got this account ID. Okay. All right, so okay, I'm really sorry guys, we have selected the wrong column here. Okay, so the name of or the summary of the summary of the board item is not in the status column. It is in the item column, item name column. This is the item name column. Okay, so I want to look for this name here in this column, not in this column. So select the column name as name. Okay, now click on save and send test request button, and now you can see guys, we have received the response correctly, and here it started showing the details as the name of the board item. Here you can see the IDs. This is the ID that we'll be needing. Here is the board ID. This is the person who is assigned to this task, and the status is working on it. All right, now guys, after that I want to update this same board item as well. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this another action step, connect with monday.com again. Search for monday.com. Now guys, the action event we are going to use is update item column value. Okay, select update item column value, then click on connect. From here you can use the save connections. We have already connected with monday.com, so the connection is saved here, and I'm going to choose my existing connection and clicking on save again. No need to fill the API key, it will be connected again like this. Okay, now select the same board, Jira board, group ongoing request. You can see the group ongoing requests. Okay, and the item name and the column name and the column value that we want to update. So here in the item name, I'm going to map the ID that we get here in this response section in the second step. Here you can see in the second step, we got the ID here, the board ID. Okay, and I'm going to map the same ID here in this parent item field. So just toggle this map button to on, and here you can see it is showing the help text, how the ID should look like. Okay, so you can just erase this data, and from the second step you can map. So here you can see in the first label is showing you the ID that we want, the data items by column value ID. Just click on it to map it. Okay, now it is asking which column you want to update. So I want to update the status column. So here you have to select status as the column, and what is the value that we want to update here. So guys, we want to update the status as from working on it to done. Okay, so here guys, you have to manually type done. Okay, now guys, you can check the connection by clicking on save and send test request button, and this status is just showing working on it will be changed to done. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button here. This is the response we have. Okay, let's see here in monday.com, and here you can see the status is changed to done automatically. Okay, so this is how it is going to work guys. Now the Jira service management in monday.com is synced, and in real time, whenever you are going to resolve any issue in Jira and the corresponding item is already present in your monday.com board, the status of that item will be changed automatically, and your team's communication will be smoother. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.